Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize or rescale an Autocad drawing effectively. If your drawing is not at the correct scale, don't worry because AutoCAD gives you simple tools to fix it accurately. First, identify an object or line in your drawing with a known real-world length. This reference is very important because it helps AutoCAD calculate the correct scale factor and keeps your drawing accurate. Next, start the Scale command by typing SC or Scale in the command line and press Enter. After that, select all the objects you want to resize and press Enter again to confirm the selection. Now, choose a base point. This is the point from which the scaling process will begin. You can click anywhere that makes sense for your drawing. After selecting the base point, type R for reference and press Enter. This allows you to scale the drawing based on the known reference length. Then, define the current reference length. You can either click the start and end points of the reference object or type the exact measurement manually if you already know it. Finally, enter the new desired length. AutoCAD will instantly resize the selected objects proportionally while maintaining the drawing's accuracy and structure. If needed, repeat the process with different reference objects until your drawing matches the required scale perfectly. Practicing this method will make resizing drawings much faster and easier in future projects. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting with AutoCAD. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials.